Hi guys, so this week's theme is to talk about our embarrassing moments. I have been thinking about this theme for weeks and I cannot remember any stories. I mean, don't get me wrong, embarrassing stuff happens to me all the time, but I just have a really bad memory, and to top it off, I'm pretty sure that I subconsciously block embarrassing moments from my memory. All I can think of is when you're walking and you trip or fall in public, like in front of other people, and it's 100 times worse if you're by yourself because you don't have someone to say like, oh, I'm okay to. You just kind of have to like get up and awkwardly like walk off. And of course, we've all been in awkward, cringeworthy conversations. Sometimes it's fun to create embarrassing moments for other people. Like sometimes I'll say to someone, oh, Dave wants to tell you something, and then Dave will be like, what the hell? And the person's like, oh yeah, what did you want to say? So I thought I'd leave you guys with 5 posts I found on FML. If you guys haven't checked out that website, it's really funny. I used to be addicted to FML updates on my phone. So I'm gonna leave you with 5 posts that will make your life seem less awkward. Today my husband dropped me off at work. 10 minutes later I got a text message saying, I just dropped the bitch off. I'll be there in a few, baby. Miss you. I asked him about it and he said, I don't know what you're talking about, Megan. My name isn't Megan. Not even close. Today I saw an elderly man fall in a crosswalk. So I jumped off my bike to help him. As I helped him across, the light turned green. I then watched across a 6-lane street as someone stole my bike. Today I texted my boyfriend saying hi. His response? I got your best friend pregnant. Today is my 18th birthday. My parents got me a $5 gift certificate to iTunes. It came for free with the iPhone they just bought my sister for her middle school graduation. Today I texted my college boyfriend to tell him how terrible I feel about cheating. He replied saying he was so relieved because he had cheated on me with a girl in his dorm. I was talking about my maths exam. F those people's lives. #awkward. Love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.